Hey folks, it's time for me to defrost my refrigerator, and I just thought I'd make a little video and show you exactly why it's time for me to defrost my damn frost-free refrigerator again. So anyhow, let's have a look and I'll explain to you. See right back there, see the ice? Over here, got a handy dandy ice chest right here. I'm going to try to fit as much of this in it as possible. And what doesn't fit in the handy dandy ice chest will go in my fridge. I'm going to wait till, I still got a little bit of rain left. Wait till some chicken. Anyhow, as you can see, I have a problem with, whoa! Well, hell, that's simple enough. Let's see if we can do the other side. I still need to thaw it out, though. So, what that is. Ooh. Well, folks, anyhow, as you can see, I need to defrost my fridge, so I'm going to work on defrosting my fridge. Y'all get back to doing what you're doing, and I will check back with you later. Bye-bye.